This is not a test. This is a national emergency. Important details and instructions will follow. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be addressing you over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. During this emergency, all cable and TV stations will remain on the air delivering emergency updates. The President of the United States will be on the air soon delivering an address over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Here's some information about the threat. At 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, NORAD detected a launch of nuclear missiles aimed at the United States from Russia. These weapons are confirmed to be nuclear. Their estimated sizes in TNT range from 1.5 megatons to 50 megatons of TNT. The President of the United States will be coming on air to deliver an address over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. President Kyle Talcott. My fellow Americans, it is with great sadness and anger that I come to address you today. The Russian Federation has taken the drastic action of launching nuclear weapons at the United States. We will retaliate as this constitutes an act of war upon the United States. I have spoken to Congress and they have agreed to a declaration of war against Russia. At 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, NORAD satellites and interceptors confirmed a launch of 50 nuclear weapons from Russia's nuclear arsenal. These weapons are aimed for the United States. At this time, their exact targets are being calculated and interceptors are being sent out to intercept and destroy as many missiles as possible before hitting the mainland. If you live in the following areas, get to an underground fallout shelter immediately. These are the weapons' final targets: Los Angeles, California; Sacramento, California; Portland, Oregon; Tacoma, Washington; Atlanta, Georgia; Washington, D.C., Denver, Colorado; New York City, New York; Warner Robins, Georgia; Macon, Georgia; Birmingham, Alabama; Dallas, Texas; Houston, Texas; San Francisco, California; San Jose, California; Seattle, Washington; Oakland, California. The Western missiles will strike their targets in 20 minutes, whereas the Eastern missiles will strike their targets in 15 minutes. If you live in any of these aforementioned areas, get to an underground fallout shelter immediately. Several interceptors have reported success destroying the missiles aimed at the following cities: Los Angeles, California; New York City, New York; Washington, D.C., San Francisco, California; San Jose, California; Sacramento, California; Oakland, California; Portland, Oregon. If you live in the aforementioned areas, you are no longer in the threat of being hit with a nuclear weapon. Anyone in the cities still in the threat zones needs to get into an underground fallout shelter immediately. My fellow Americans, may God be with you as we struggle together through these dark and hard times. However, we will get through this together and we will rise back stronger, kinder, and better than ever before.